हेलो ट्रेडर्स, वेलकम टू व्यू टू मार्केट्स। चलिए, आज बहुत ही बड़ा गैप अप था, राइट? एंड अगेन दिस इज ऑल न्यूज़ बेस्ड मार्केट, राइट? आई वुड कॉल इट न्यूज़ बेस्ड। और ये इस मार्केट में कोई ट्रेड करने का आपको देयर इज़ नो प्लान दैट यू कैन मेक, राइट? इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट, आई मीन यू जस्ट डूइंग बाइंग अ लॉटरी, right? And taking home one lot, two lots, 10 lots, if your risk appetite allows. But this is the market in which you cannot trade without considering that you're buying a lottery for tomorrow, right? तो आज ऐसे भी हमारे जो 9 रुपए के, अगर हम सेंसेक्स में एक्सपायरी देखें, 9 रुपए के हमारे 350 रुपीज़ चले गए विद इन फर्स्ट कैंडल इटसेल्फ, राइट? तो दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट मनी दैट यू कैन मेक अगर आपने एक इतना कुछ लेके आप घर गए होते। सो ऐसा कुछ इज़ नॉट एडवाइज्ड, दैट you do a lottery buying, right? And see what the market has in store for you. So generally you should avoid all such trades, right? But when you open such a big gap up, right? And so there's nothing that you can do. You just have to watch the price action and see if you can take one or two runs and survive in the market on the return basis. सो आज सुबह के जैसे कल ट्रम्प की जो न्यूज़ थी हमारी कि द ट्रम्प इज़ एक्चुअली गोइंग टू डू समथिंग बिग, द एंड ऑफ सिविलाइजेशन, राइट? एंड ऑफ civilization he is going to do. And this is the kind of comments that were coming out of his press conference, and the kind of tweets that he did. It's very derogatory marks that he has made. अगर आपने वो देखी होगी, he has used profanity and against Iran, and which is not advised, which is not expected from a leader of such a big country, right? Which is number one country in terms of the economy size, and the in terms of the way the US is, right? So a lot of media has criticized him for that, and with that kind of comments, now when he says that there is a 2 weeks pause that he wants to take, तो आप देखिए आज क्या हुआ, वही मार्केट ने एक न्यूज़ बेस्ड रिएक्शन दिया, राइट? सो नो, नथिंग वी कैन डू इन दिस मार्केट, राइट? हमारा जो व्यू था, वी वर नॉट लुकिंग ऑन द अपसाइड, एंड इफ वी कम ऑन द डाउनसाइड, if we would have come on the downside, then we would be expecting, why we would have expected a view which is on the upside, but not like this. It will not, we would not have, it did not fit our plan, that the opportunity would be just you keep buying from at every level and it will continuously keep going up. And that was not the expected, but again, if that was the case also, right, we would have to see the price action and then take one step at one time, right, and see where it is going. So yeah, so let's see what we are dealing with, right? So we had discussed about two levels. One was this one, this 61.8, but I did not expect it to come and meet in इस तरीके से meet होगा. But again, this was, I would not take this as a something which we discussed. I would have been more happy if the trade would have taken a retracement, and then with the with some sort of price action, it would have continued to move up, right? This was again news based, right? I would like to ignore it. Now let's see, where is the market right now? There is an expectation that there is another 50% level, which is this one, that the market might go there as well, right? तो हमने एक यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन बनाई थी, अगर आपने देखी हो, राइट? इसको अगर मैं आपको थोड़ा सा नैरो करके दिखाऊं यहाँ पे, सो ऐसा ही हमने ड्रॉ किया था. तो देयर इज वन ट्रेंड line. If I say, I would consider this as 2 points, right? And we have broke past this line, right? Now the thing is that we might just do a bit of uh, you know remain in this area tomorrow for some time, right? क्योंकि अब सारे लोग bullish हो चुके हैं, right? Now everybody will be bullish. Now what they will do is they might just want to consolidate market here for some time and then would like to bring it down tomorrow. That's the thing that is coming up, right? There is one thing, if you see this line that we had drawn, this red area zone, this was it, right? There was a big resistance zone that we were expecting that the market will come, and it actually has come. We have reached 38% already, and on the smaller channel we have drawn a 61% retracement, which of course it came now. Now let's look at how the Sensex is going to behave tomorrow. क्योंकि Sensex जिस तरीके से behave करेगा उसका इम्पैक्ट निफ्टी में ऑफ कोर्स नज़र आएगा, राइट। तो अगर हम सेंसेक्स में एक्सपायरी देखें जाके, राइट, and it's going to be quite an interesting thing here as well. So the same channel that we have drawn here also, right? So देखिए कल अगर we have the market which is available to us at this point, right, around I would say 70 77 77064, or I would say 77,000, right, 77,000, or maybe at this area if we find the market, then there is an expectation that we might just go up and then we consolidate a bit here, right. So maybe 700 800 points as thing that we might get tomorrow, right. So there could be three different scenarios here, right. So that is one in case if we are opening around 77,000. 100 to 77,000, and of course we might just go a little bit down as well, which is around 76,705 and 76, I would say 76 640 or even 540 levels, right. So I will be watching this opportunity area, right, opportunity area, to see if I get the market at these levels, and then there will be opportunity to maybe just go and take some 300 to 400 points tomorrow on the expiry day, right. That will be an opportunity area, right. If we are just going to open a gap up, right, अगर हम gap खुलते हैं कहीं पर, maybe a minor gap up around this area, right. So अगर हम देखें, so now if I just were to count this as a wave, which is wave 1, and this is wave 2, so we are almost touched 161, but there could be a chance, just like the way we discussed in Nifty, जैसे हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं on the short term view, that we might just go up until fill this level. अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर, so ये almost like ज़्यादा नहीं है, ये कुछ 300 कुछ है, 300 400 points, and almost like go till 78,000, right. एंड इसके बाद अगर हम यहाँ पर एक स्लोली रिट्रेसमेंट लेते हैं, बिकॉज आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग very slow kind of a retracement at these levels, right. Agar if it comes at some other level, then I will ignore the market, but the expectation is that the market may make a kind of a slow retracement tomorrow, and just come and settle around 76 700 or 76 500 levels. So I think that we are just going to digest this. Basically we are going to digest this tomorrow, right. So it is not going to be that we may go up. If we go up, then it's good, because we're going to digest this move, right, this gap up that has come significantly. तो हम यहाँ इसको डाइजेस्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे कल. अगर होता है गैप अप खुलते हैं 78,000, then we might just come down a little bit and just consolidate somewhere here in the market. Just watch, there must be options selling at this thing, right, at this level. Calls will sell options, so just keep watching, how are the positions that are being built at this level, and just try to form an opinion according to that, whether we are going up and or not, because if there is a strong resistance, it's unlikely that हम ऊपर जाएंगे, right. So yeah, that was a view of the market, right. Just take very small positions. It's expiry day tomorrow. Be extra careful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.